I am sitting on the chair. I am sitting on the chair. I am sitting under the tree. I am sitting under the tree. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. I am jumping onto the bed. I am jumping onto the bed. I am climbing up the hill. I am climbing up the hill. I am coming from school. I am coming from school. I am jumping over a wall. I am jumping over a wall. I am getting into the car. I am getting into the car. I am getting off the bus. I am getting off the bus. I am going into the house. I am going into the house. I am waiting for the bus. I am waiting for the bus. I am standing in the room. I am standing in the room. I am going across the street. I am going across the street. I am standing at the door. I am standing at the door. I am reading about history. I am reading about history. I am writing for practice. I am writing for practice. I am preparing before the exam. I am preparing before the exam. I am resting after the work. I am resting after the work. I am sitting beside my friend. I am sitting beside my friend. I am waiting since morning. I am waiting since morning. I am sitting between two chairs. I am sitting between two chairs. I am standing near the gate. I am standing near the gate. I am walking for exercise. I am walking for exercise. I am walking out of the room. I am walking out of the room. I am walking to the market. I am walking to the market. I am working for 2 hours. I am working for 2 hours. I am writing about my day. I am writing about my day.